The Edelbrock intake manifold bolt kit is the perfect solution for anyone installing an Edelbrock manifold, including the Performer RPM, and Torker Series. Specifically designed to work with these manifolds, this kit includes all the necessary bolts and washers needed for a complete and secure installation. The bolts feature a cadmium finish for added durability, while the hardened washers ensure a long-lasting, reliable seal. One of the standout features of the Edelbrock bolt kit is the reduced-hex head design. This thoughtful design ensures easy access to the bolts, even in tight spaces. Many factory manifold bolts can be difficult to access due to clearance issues, especially around pressurized ports and exhaust crossovers. The reduced-hex head of these bolts ensures that tools such as sockets, box wrenches, and offset torque adapters can fit easily, making installation much easier and faster. Customers have praised this kit for making manifold installations much simpler and more efficient. One satisfied customer shared their experience with Chevy manifold bolts, highlighting how the smaller hex size of the Edelbrock bolts provides better clearance compared to OEM designs. This allows for the use of offset torque adapters, which are often more suitable for tight spaces, especially on tall manifolds or manifolds that support a choke. The Edelbrock intake manifold bolt kit is not only a high-quality, durable product but also a convenient and time-saving solution for your manifold installation. If you're looking to replace your manifold bolts with a precision-fit, high-performance kit, this is the product for you. Click the link in the description to purchase the Edelbrock intake manifold bolt kit today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great automotive products.